how to get Jenny mod for Minecraft. So if you want to get the Jenny mod for Minecraft, then just follow the steps. Make sure that your low power mode is turned off. First, you need to head over to your settings and make sure that you have not turned on your low power mode. Battery, and under battery, you may have the low power mode turned on or the battery saver turned on. So you just need to simply toggle it off. Once you toggle off the low power mode or the battery saver, and once you've done that, now you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And if you're using Apple, you can go with your Safari, or if you're using your Android, go with your Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, now you need to go with the search, and under search, you need to search for appbuild.vip. And here, you just need to simply go with search for apps, and you need to search for Jenny mod. And here you will have the mod, so you just need to simply go with install, which is on the right side. And once you've installed, you'll be able to get the Jenny mod for Instagram in this way. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.